Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing a collab with CurlsCurls, my by far favorite wig company, on their Melissa wig. This is a closure wig, and the hairline you're going to see already looks super natural straight out of the box, but do you know how freaking hard it is to find a natural curly wig that mimics natural hair where the curls start from the roots? If you know what I'm talking about, you know that most curly wigs, they go straight and then it's curly. The curls start from the roots. I've been waiting to try this wig for a very long time, but I'm just taking an eyebrow razor to cut the lace off, and I also thought it was pretty cool that it had my name on it because this like legit is my hair. It has my name on it. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is bleaching the wig to match my hair. My hair is burgundy, so I just bleach it first and then you're going to see me dye it. So watch me do that now.
Young nigga dreaming of Hollywood. Poof. Up in smoke, up in smoke, up in smoke. Yeah. I hope she know I love her so. Bad girl, we leaving at once. Not tryna be on my ones. You'll be with me when the sun's up. I'm your Hollywood dreamer, huh? Don't let the fear in your heart. Bring back that pack and you gotta smoke. Bring back that bag to the center, love. We get to chasing like antelope. Little bit of sex in the song. I'm back to focusing on all of that shit right in front of me. Now I'm back doing dirt like I was, yeah. Up in smoke, up in smoke, up in smoke. Yeah. She can't deny I'm the one she wants. One love. This girl's never done drugs. Nothing wrong with one love, but I'm way too young to give the funds up. Up in smoke, up in smoke, up in smoke. I hope she know I love her so. I leave tonight, next stop LA. She stays at night, kick it like Pele. Hate to part ways, miss it already. Gotta see the world, I'll be back one day. She said I'm a menace like Dennis's. It is not like her to focus on petty things. I should just wife it and stay, but I'm dicing a paradise, trying to get away. An assortment of freedom, I'm dreaming of that.
This hair lightened right up as I was working on it, as you guys saw, so I just let this sit for like 10 minutes, and this is what it was looking like after I bleached it. So I just used Adore Burgundy Envy and Rich Eggplant. I probably put about 60% Burgundy Envy and 40% of the Rich Eggplant, mix it together in a bottle, and I just applied that to the wig. I was kind of out of frame for this, which sucks, but yeah, I'm just applying it to the wig, and you're gonna see me near the end just like make sure I'm getting in the roots, because like that's the hardest place to get the hair dye. So I just split the wig and make sure I got the roots of the wig as well.
Before I leave, give me a kiss. She said before we kiss, sing a song. Why would I settle for less? Why would I settle at all? No feelings involved. No killing the love.
I probably let this sit for like 30 minutes just to make sure the dye got in there, and this is what it was looking like afterwards. As you guys see, my lace is tinted, so I just used Color Oops to get rid of that, and I found this on YouTube. I think there's like 2 tutorials where someone used this. I'm like, okay, let me try this, and it works great. So you're going to put a very small amount, as in dip the brush in, take off majority of the excess and put it on the lace because it is very thin, so it will seep through the lace and get on your hair and lighten it. So make sure it's a very small amount that you're putting on.
Up in smoke, up in smoke, up in smoke.
I let That set for about 20 minutes, and I forgot to say it really stinks, so make sure you wash that off a lot. But this is what the wig is looking like. I'm sad that I didn't even show the after of how the lace looked, but it just looked like my skin complexion. So I just popped the wig on, and you're gonna see me try to like decide where I want to cut it. After watching this footage, I realized I didn't even really have to cut it because it's a really good length, but I ended up cutting it just... I usually cut my curly wigs just so they look more natural. But before cutting it, I'm just going to fix the part. So I decided to just clean up the part and then make it straight and even with the part of my like twist that you see at the front. And I'm just lining it up with my parts underneath the wig so that what you're seeing underneath the part of the wig is the parts of my cornrows, if that makes sense.
I'm not a bad guy, but I got a bad side. I went from a quiet life.
You don't have to do this because it already looked pretty natural, but I just tweezed the part a bit, and then you're going to see me put some freeze spray on the part, and that is just a method I used to do in high school where I just put gel or some kind of like something sticky, usually gel, and put it on the part of the lace to kind of stick it down and blend it with my part. So it's just like a seamless like blend. I'm not explaining this very well, but it's just sticking the lace down onto my scalp so that the part from my hair is just really flat and meshed with the part of the lace. There we go.
It's two sides to it. Last night.
And I'm so sad my camera died, but all you missed was me taking out my flat twists. And right now I'm just going to do my baby hairs.
Never show my dark side. There's two sides to me. There's two sides to a nigga, yo. That side, this side, that's how it is, I know. Light side, dark side, that's how it is, I know. Left side, right side, that's how it is, I know. Right side, wrong side, that's how it is, I know. How bad could you be, groovy? Oh, behave, talk that shit.
And after all of that, this is how freaking beautiful and natural it was looking. Again, you can just leave it like this. It looks freaking great. And I honestly could have just left it like this. This length is perfect, but I just decided to cut some, just a little bit, just to look more of like a bob length.
Got Rex world in that whip. You pop a Xanax, it's not lit. I done seen all sides of this shit. The wildlife and the real deal, yeah. Universe put me in situations that I couldn't bear, but I always go through them, that's why they put me there. Anywhere, anywhere, anywhere you wanna go, I can take you there. Last night, I got too high. I was talking to myself under the moonlight. Like it's crazy how I never show my dark side. There's two sides to me, there's two sides to a nigga, yo. That side, this side, that's how it is, I know.
And after cutting it, this is how it was looking. I am so in love with this hair. Like CurlsCurls is doing something right because this looks like my hair. Like, wow. Alright guys, so this is the end result. Sorry if you can hear my fan in the background, but I am so in love with this wig. I think I need to cut a little something something right here. Here. There we go. That was bothering me. But this is by far the only wig that I think I've ever had where I barely have to do anything to my weave out because it just blends with my natural hair perfectly. Sorry if you can hear talking in the background, my neighbors are extremely loud. But this is the third collab I've done with CurlsCurls and they never disappoint. Their clip-ins they mimic natural hair so well, and this is the first wig I've tried from them. And then literally, like, this is my hair. Like, this is my hair to a T. And as you guys saw, I had a side part going on, and I used to do that method in high school where I put a side part and then I kind of just put like gel just to like lay it flat down and blend it with my part. But I wasn't digging how that was looking, so I just did my go-to method where I put it behind my hairline and then I just kind of flip my hair over the wig a bit. So it looks like this. There's not really a part, but it's just like, it's just, I don't know what to call that. It's just flipped over the wig and I don't know, I feel like it looks a lot more natural. Like, where is my hair? You can, like, it's literally blended to a T. Look at that. crazy. And anytime I get a very nice curly wig that I love, I'm like, this is going to be my go-to wig. This is going to be my go-to wig just because it looks exactly like my natural hair. Like, exactly. So thank you so much to CurlsCurls, as always, for sending me this hair. I am in love with it. I may shape it a bit more. It's still, I would say, it's 80% dry right now. So once it's fully dry and I see how it sits, I'll probably just trim anything that needs to be trimmed. But I tried to put some layers in it so it wasn't just like flat. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as always. All of the info for this wig will be down below. Oh, and they also have, I probably put this in the voiceover. Sage put this in the voiceover at the beginning. But this wig comes with different constructions. It comes with full lace, lace front end, lace closure wig. I have the lace closure wig. And I think they start at $199. So that's not too bad. For hair this natural, that starts from the root. Curls that start from the root are very hard to find with wigs. So I'm very happy I have this. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's Sage signing out. Peace.
I know you like Drake, no choice.